1. In which year did the first passenger train run in India? The correct answer is 1853. 2. Which is the longest railway route in India? The correct answer is Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari. 3. Where is the headquarters of the Central Railway Zone located? The correct answer is Mumbai CSMT. 4. What is the width of the broad gauge track in Indian Railways? The correct answer is 1.676 meters. 5. Where is the Integral Coach Factory located? The correct answer is Perambur. 6. Who was the first railway minister of independent India? The correct answer is John Mathai. 7. Which committee recommended the separation of the railway budget from the general budget in 1924? The correct answer is Ackworth Committee. 8. In which year was the railway budget merged back into the general budget? The correct answer is 2017. 9. What is the mascot of Indian Railways? The correct answer is Bholu the elephant. 10. Where is the National Rail Museum located? The correct answer is New Delhi. 11. Which railway station has the longest railway platform in India? The correct answer is Habali. 12. Where is the rail coach factory located? The correct answer is Kapurthala. 13. Which is the oldest working steam locomotive in the world used by Indian Railways? The correct answer is Fairy Queen. 14. Where is the headquarters of the Eastern Railway Zone? The correct answer is Kolkata. 15. Which train connects India and Bangladesh? The correct answer is Matri Express. 16. Where is the headquarters of the North-Eastern Railway Zone? The correct answer is Gorakhpur. 17. Which is the first fully solar-powered railway station in India? The correct answer is Guwahati. 18. What is the name of the anti-collision technology developed by Indian Railways? The correct answer is Kavach. 19. Where is the headquarters of the Southern Railway Zone? The correct answer is Chennai. 20. Who was the first female loco pilot of Indian Railways? The correct answer is Surekha Yadav. 21. Where is the wheel and axle plant of Indian Railways located? The correct answer is Yelahanka. 22. Where is the headquarters of the West Central Railway Zone? The correct answer is Jabalpur. 23. Which luxury train runs primarily across the state of Rajasthan? The correct answer is Palace on Wheels. 24. Where is the headquarters of the North Frontier Railway Zone? The correct answer is Maligaon. 25. Which is the world's first hospital train created by Indian Railways? The correct answer is Lifeline Express. 26. Under which Governor General was the first railway line laid in India? The correct answer is Lord Dalhousie. 27. Where is the headquarters of the South Central Railway Zone? The correct answer is Sikandarabad. 28. Where is the headquarters of the East Coast Railway Zone? The correct answer is Bhubaneswar. 29. Shatabdi Express trains were introduced to commemorate the birth centenary of which leader? The correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. 30. Where is the modern coach factory located? The correct answer is Rai Bareli. 31. Where is the Research Designs and Standards Organization located? The correct answer is Lucknow. 32. Which mountain railway of India was the first to be recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site? The correct answer is Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. 33. Where is the headquarters of the Western Railway Zone? The correct answer is Mumbai Churchgate. 34. Which city first received the computerized passenger reservation system in India? The correct answer is New Delhi. 35. What is the official slogan of Indian Railways? The correct answer is Lifeline of the Nation. 36. Where is the headquarters of the North Central Railway Zone? The correct answer is Prayagraj. 37. Where is the Banaras Locomotive Works located? The correct answer is Varanasi. 38. Where is the headquarters of the South East Central Railway Zone? The correct answer is Bilaspur. 39. Which is the longest railway tunnel in India? The correct answer is Pir Panjal Tunnel. 40. Over which river is the world's highest railway arch bridge built by Indian Railways? The correct answer is Chenab. 41. Where is the headquarters of the Southwestern Railway Zone? The correct answer is Habali. 42. What type of electricity supply is primarily used for Indian Railways overhead lines? The correct answer is 25 kilovolts AC. 43. Where is the Chittranjan Locomotive Works located? The correct answer is West Bengal. 44. Which is the fastest train currently operating on the Indian Rail network? The correct answer is Vande Bharat Express. 45. Where is the headquarters of the Northwest Railway Zone? The correct answer is Jaipur. 46. Which zone is the smallest railway zone by route length in India? The correct answer is Kolkata Metro. 47. Where is the headquarters of the East Central Railway Zone? The correct answer is Hajipur. 48. Which state has the highest route kilometer of railway network in India? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. 49. In which city is the Indian Railways Institute of Civil Engineering located? The correct answer is Pune. 50. Where is the National Academy of Indian Railways located? The correct answer is Vadodara.